Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for cashback offers with Rakuten, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rakuten website or download the Rakuten app from your device's app store. If you're using the website, click on the Join Today button, typically located in the upper right corner. If you have the app, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Once your information is entered, click on the button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open that email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Now that your account is set up, log in to Rakuten using your new credentials. Browse through the list of retailers to find the stores where you would like to earn cashback. Click on the store's link to be redirected to the retailer's website. Make sure to shop as you normally would after being redirected. Always check if there are specific terms and conditions for earning cashback on your purchase. Once you make a qualifying purchase, the cashback will be tracked automatically. You can check your cashback balance on your Rakuten account dashboard. For some purchases, you may need to wait a few hours to a couple of days for the cashback to appear. When your cashback accumulates to a certain amount, you can withdraw it to your bank account or through a check. Remember to look out for special promotional offers and bonuses to maximize your cashback rewards. You are now ready to start earning cashback with Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.